Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Wednesday, June the 26th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. Want to first off by taking a look to see how the indices are trading so far for the day. The Dow Jones is up 110 points, the Nasdaq is up 25.5, the Russell's up 3.25, and the S&P is up 12 points. We take a look at the commodity space. The commodities continue to get smacked down. Crude oil is trying to hang in there, but GLD is down $4.34 today, continuing its downslide. GDX down $1, JJC copper down 21 cents, silver down 81 cents. These commodities, precious metal stocks, we've been telling you guys to stay away from them for the past month or so. They continue to get smacked down. The interesting thing is that gold hit its target from the inverted cup and handle pattern that I pointed out to you guys in yesterday's video here. Hold on one second. I want to bring this up to the screen for you guys because these metals, they're really getting beaten down, and may not be time to buy them yet, but we definitely, they are definitely coming into some interesting areas here. If you take a look at the daily chart of the GC gold futures contract, you can see it has this little inverted cup and handle pattern right here, and that measured move is from 15. Measured moves like a dollar 125 minus is 13.50. I explained it in yesterday's after the bell market summary video, and we hit that 12.25 target just today. We hit 12.23. So, gold's coming into the area, or it may be going, may come down a little bit more. But take a look at my weekly chart here real quick. We could have some support down there around that little key. Let's see here, this little key trend line. Actually, I don't know why that key trend line's there. Let me take that out. Let's see here. Next support level on the gold futures. Where's my monthly chart at real quick? All right, let's take a look at the monthly. Next support is really down here around this prior resistance, now support. So I said we could get a nice little scalp off this little 1181, 1150 area. That's where we'll be looking to probably pick up some gold calls or something. So maybe one more week of some selling pressure, a little chop back to the downside, then we'll start to look at that sector again. But let me get back to the midday market update, because what I wanted to show you guys was this. Hold on a second. Where's my stuff at here? 1 second, folks. Give me one. All right, so let me get back to the intraday action. Starting off with the ES. The ES had a nice little move up here overnight. You can see we had a nice little run. This is a 30-minute chart. We sold off after hours when the market closed, and we started catching a bid early in the morning here around, say, 3:30 this morning when the European markets opened, around that time there. We've been trading up ever since. We had a nice little pop-up on the open, then they pulled us back into a rising 20 EMA, and now we got a bounce here, a little 1, 2, 3, 4 bar pullback. You take a look at your 15-minute chart, you can see the same thing. Little pullback action here from the open. We're still trading above the previous day's highs, 1587.75, so that's pretty good. 1590 held as support, and then we have resistance around 1596. So far, this is some little range-bound activity. Make sure you keep those levels on watch, that 1596 and that 1590. If you take a look at your 5-minute chart on the ES, again, same thing, nice little downward action. We did have this nice little downward bullish channel, which we highlighted to some of our traders here that are on the trade desk and our traders that are in our live trading room, My Wall Street TV. You can see that the ES was trading in a range between 1592 and 1590. Nice little base down there. We broke out, and now as long as we hold above this 1592, we could probably continue to try to float back up towards these highs, towards the top of the range, 1597. We break back below 1592, then we break back below 1590. We could have potential to go back towards previous day's highs around 1587. If we take a look at the ETF, the index ETFs here, which I know some of you guys follow to track your stocks intraday, starting off with the SPY. Same thing here on the SPY. Let's 1 second. Same thing on the SPY here. We gapped up, faded back, held this SPY held the 159.40 level, and now we're back at the open price. You want to see if we can get back above the open price and hold. If we can, we'll be looking for 160.20. If not, we roll back over, we're going to be looking at this 159.40 level again, which, probably in today's market could probably get a bounce right back up there, and we could trade some sideways action. The weakest index today is the Russell 2000. Russell 2000 went negative for a second, then it went back above the previous day's highs. Nasdaq showing some decent strength compared to the other indices, and then we have the S&P. Let's take a look at the triple Qs here. All right, triple Qs are trading sideways, trading between this 70.60 level and this 70.80 level of previous days. Today's opening price. A little range action here. We'll see how this resolves. Maybe get to break to the top side. We get some trend in action, or we're going to try to roll back over. We do have some support from previous day's open and the previous day's highs, and then this rising 20 EMA around 70.59. So keep an eye on that. And then last but not least, we have the IWM, which I said is showing relative weakness compared to the other indices. It flashed below the previous day's highs. All right, and as you can see, the other indices they did not go below the previous day's highs here. So a little slight relative weakness, nothing too crazy to worry about right now. But if we can hold above the 95.80 level, we could probably make a move back up towards this 96.52s. So we'll keep an eye on that, and we'll see how that goes. As far as some stock ideas go, we actually had a decent trade. We actually had some decent trades this morning compared to yesterday's action, which of course you guys know yesterday was pretty choppy. So start off with the first trade, VMW. This one set up a nice bull flag on top of the previous day's highs. All right, and we were able to get involved around 66.94 and sell some up there. Actually, let me see here real quick. I posted a trade on the Facebook page, so if you follow us on Facebook at Wall Street Trading, you'll be able to see that trade there. And I'll move it up for you guys real quick. Again, Wall Street Trading on Facebook. You can follow us there. All right, and again, if you're interested in trading with our prop firm, you can contact me at ccooper at wallstreettrading.com. I could give you some details on that, and we just completed our education course. We're actually signing up people right now, so if you're interested in finding out the details about that, you could contact me as well. But a nice flag right here. We were able to get long around 55.94. We pieced some out. I forgot what price. We pieced them out right here, and last one right there, and then it continued higher, of course. But so it's either all in all, some decent action. So that's one trade you could keep an eye on in the afternoon, probably for a continuation move. It does have a target of maybe now 68.50 or so if we get over these 68s. All right, so keep that one on watch. We also were able to participate in some of this LVS action here. One of the traders took this trade on the desk. I didn't take this trade, but one of the traders on the desk took it. He actually did pretty well in it. But you can see here, LVS, nice little symmetrical triangle. Tight pattern, constricted, broke back over the open, gave you a nice little cash flow trade from 51.15 to 51.80. And then the solars have been in play the past couple of days here. So CSIQ came out with some news this morning, and you can see that stock just took off. I think Verizon or somebody teamed up with their company. I forgot exactly what the news was. But that stock's taken off, and yesterday we were talking about SPW and FSLR. You can see SPWRs making a nice move up here, and then let me see, FSLR I think is showing some weakness today. It was a strong stock yesterday, so yeah, FSLR is just kind of hanging in there. But aside from that, folks, that's about it. Hope you guys had a great day. Having a great day so far. The website's back up, so you can check it out. And contact me if you're interested in finding out details on the education course or joining our proprietary trading firm, which we have offices in New York and Miami, folks. Have a great day. Catch you guys for the After the Bell market summary. Cheers.